Today I'm back in my element, my messy sewing studio, because today we are doing a very quick little sewing pattern haul. I know you guys love these and it's the perfect excuse for me to buy some more patterns. I've also got a few vintage fabrics here. But I think the first thing that is most important is that we show the winner of the thrift haul lottery. Now this person was chosen at random from the comment section. If you don't know what the heck I'm talking about, check out my previous video for the thrift haul lottery. It's a collection that I'm doing with Retro Kitty, my business for secondhand and vintage clothing, and you can win any item in the video. So there is another one coming up real soon, but I thought, you know, it'd probably be good to show you the winner and what they chose. So they chose the beautiful white embroidered button-up top. This beautiful white cotton blend with some floral embroidery. This one is gonna go all the way to Algeria, and I'm having some learning experiences with postage, but it's gonna get there. It's gonna get packaged up real nice. So this was the winner for the very first Retro Kitty thrift haul lottery, and if you love this idea, please do subscribe so you can see more in the future and win some fun unique goodies. So I will pack this one up and send her off. Into today's video, I thought it would be fun to start off with maybe some fabrics that I got. Now these are all from the thrift store, or if you're in Australia, the op shop. I have 3 different types of stretch lace here. My local op shop, thrift store, whatever, packages their fabric really nicely. So we have 3 different types of lace here. We've got a purple, a black, and a red. And I thought it would be very fun to make some, you know, lingerie or underwear bralette type situations. This really pretty. So that is like so much to be able to do lots of fun things with, and it is nice and soft and has some stretch, so you definitely need that for undergarments. Now the black is actually even softer and it is stretchy too, of course, and it has some really pretty rose prints, so I can imagine that would make some cute things as well, and stretchy, love that. And then of course we have the red, which is actually the same print as the black, just in this gorgeous vibrant red. $6 for all 3 of those. I think that is definitely a win. $1.50. Again, packaged very cute, but I'm gonna undo it so you don't hear the rustling of the plastic. I was just obsessed with the blue and the green and like the little polka dots. Look at that. Look how cute that is. So this really pretty fabric with some floral. I'm kind of picturing like maybe a dress, I don't know. We'll just put this in my pile of fabrics because it was a bargain. If you are into crafting, sewing, or making of any kind and you use fabrics, do not forget to check out the thrift stores or the op shops, because honestly, there is some good stuff and it is so much cheaper. So I'm getting like 3 meters of fabric for $4. Bargain. Very fun print, maroony kind of situation. There's a lot here. It's quite thin, so again, I'm thinking a summery dress or something of the sort, but I just really like the colors and the prints. So we've got a lot of fabric to work with here. Let me know if I should make something out of this fabric using the patterns that I'm going to show you. As I said, my local has fabric packed really nicely, and they even have these cute little like labels on them. This one says lovely vintage stretch fabric. This is 142 wide by 2.6 meters, $7. Slinky stretch, and how fun is that color? And the print, it's just beautiful. I definitely have some good vibes for this one. It's just so comfy and stretchy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So that was a lot of fabric for $7. I think that is a win. Let's get into the sewing pattern. So let's start off with this really cute one. I just could not resist the pockets. It's like very retro but still fun. If you want me to do a video on how to use sewing patterns, do let me know, because I know sometimes they can be a little bit confusing with all of this mumbo jumbo on the back. Keeping in the theme of like very retro kind of 80s vibes, I mean, I think that is the reason that I purchased this one, because it is just so fun. It's like just comfy, love. I mean, even her pose on the front, it's a vibe. Looks like it's been used. That is a risk you do take with patterns in the store or secondhand. They can be cut, they can be damaged, they can be missing pieces, but honestly, I think it is so worth it, especially if you're learning. You can kind of make things from here, you can use it as a base, you can tweak it. There's just so much potential and so much fun to be had with a $1 sewing pattern. I'm just gonna say everything's so cute. I'm in my like comfy era, as you can see by this one. Fun lattice neckline, we've got shirring here. You've got so much potential. And for summer, like you don't want something that is clinging to your body. So I thought this one is very cute. Apparently this is the video of dresses and jumpsuits. I must have been going through a moment when I picked all these patterns out. So this is another jumpsuit. We've got dress, pants, shorts, all of the options. There's fast and easy, which we love. I know if you've watched my videos before, you're probably thinking, Michaela, you have so many sewing patterns already. What are you doing? You don't need another dress. But I'm a sucker for princess seams, and this has princess seams, and I just love this flared skirt and all of the options. And of course, you have different strap alternatives too. You might not be able to see, but this middle one here actually has 2 straps. Again, it's a very easy, we like the very easies, so $1. This is a little bit more out there, but I really liked the back and I thought this was really unique and could be kind of fun to play with. So may not necessarily make this particular one, but I thought this neckline was just really fun. And for $1, like I said, if you just want to have a play around with some things, op shops. This is very on trend and I am obsessed with it. I am 1000% gonna make this one. I don't know if you can see those details up close, but how bloody cute is that? And it just looks so easy. So easy. I mean, it says easy. We love that. And it's just, oh, beautiful. Some elastic around the neckline, the sleeves, tie. It's just, it's gonna take maybe an hour, 2 hours. Ooh, this one was a bit more expensive. This one was $2. And again, you're probably saying, Michaela, why are you buying a pattern that you probably already have? Because there's 9 options in one. And it's just a classic, an absolute classic shape. How can you pass that up? Look how cute. Stop focusing on my face. It's so cute. It has these beautiful little details. You could do ruffles. So many choices. $2. Yes, this is size 12, 14, and 16. Like I said, if it's not your size, you can always tweak it. So this one was also $2, and as I said before, I'm in my comfy girl era. This one is just super fun. Very simple but fun style lines on the front with the pleats, and you can cinch it at the back with the tie. It's just a winner, I think, personally. This is a size 14, but like I said, you can always tweak things. So if you want to learn how to use patterns, please do subscribe to my channel, because I am planning on doing a whole series on how to use your patterns, and I'm definitely going to pick up my series of sewing all your patterns. I'm very sorry that it's taking me so long, but I have, you probably can't see, but in this thing here, that is all sewing patterns. All, like, all of that. All of that is sewing patterns, so we're here for a good time. I think this one is a winner. Very simple, but it has a beautiful tie back here. It just is so flattering. Anything that you can cinch at the waist without being tight, beautiful. So this one I think will be really, really fun. And we do have a few size options, and I don't actually believe it's been used, so that's a bit of a win. Going back to sort of our retro vibes is this one. Very, very cute. I just love the potential, and the matching set is stunning. So this one also is looking like it's pretty new. And lucky last, I cannot resist these little sets. I mean, it's so cute. Look at the little skirt, short, skirt situation. Just so, so cute. Love it, love it. Very on trend too, like very on trend. Like, can you imagine this cute little skirt, but it's actually shorts? Love it. That is it. Just a really quick little video showing you all the crafty fun stuff that I have gotten recently. And stay tuned if you want to see any of these being turned into actual garments, because that is the plan. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe if you want to see any more sewing content or thrifting, creative, any of that sort of stuff, ethical DIYs. This is the place to be. Now, as I said at the start of the video, there is a thrift haul coming soon. It is filmed and ready to go. I just have to edit it and make it fun. So stay tuned if you would like to enter that one. In the meantime, everything from the previous thrift haul lottery is now for sale except for that white top on retrokitty.com.au. So do check it out, but I shall see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.